Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 17, 2024, Wednesday, at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong January 17, 2024, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Wednesday, January 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 17, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 24 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 695 million pesos for Wednesday, January 17, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 17, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.